Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to verify your Facebook page and whether you can still get that blue badge for free. Alright, so first things first, open Facebook and sign into your account. Then click your profile icon at the top right and switch over to the page you want to verify. Once you're there, look for your profile picture at the top left and click those three dots next to the advertise button. In that little menu, you should see an option called Verify Your Page. Go ahead and tap that. Now here's the thing. Facebook page verification is part of Meta Verified and it's not open to everyone yet. You'll need to click Join the waiting list to apply, but before you do that, check if you meet all the eligibility requirements. Just click See All Meta Verified Eligibility Requirements and you'll get a full breakdown of what's needed. Basically, you have to be at least 18 years old, live in a supported country, and have full control over your business account in Meta Business Suite. Your page also has to stay active and follow all the usual Facebook rules. No spam, no policy violations, just consistent activity. If you meet all that, click Join the waiting list and wait for Meta to contact you when your page becomes eligible. Now, the big question, can you still get that blue badge for free? Well, not really. Meta now links verification to a paid subscription plan, so the free option's gone. But if you were verified before this change, your badge should still stay active. And that's it. That's how to request Facebook page verification. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.